Comfort is not luxury, it is a necessity. Are you feeling the heat? Is your AC not cooling? Then meet Ideal Wear Services Gather Limited. Here, we provide world-class cooling solutions tailored for the Ghanaian climate.
Welcome to Ideal Air, the best in air conditioners, cooling, heating day.
We stock the best in split units, cassette ACs, floor standing units, fan motors, fan blowers, ducts, grills, and any AC component you can think of for commercial, industrial, and residential purposes. From sales to expert setup, we are the best company in Ghana to handle your AC issues.
Ideal Air Services Ghana Limited. Made Jamwase.
Find us at East Legon Hills Estate Road, directly opposite the White House, a few meters from the Macarius Church, or call 050-358-9370 for the best in town.
Welcome to Ideal Air, the best in air conditioners, cooling, heating day or night. We got your home just feeling right. Rain or shine, we got your back.